In South Texas, where the sky meets the endless blue of the sea, a new chapter in American space history is unfolding. Here, at the edge of the Gulf of Mexico, the future of exploration and national security is being forged. Starbase stands as SpaceX's bold gateway to the heavens, a sprawling complex where innovation and ambition reach for the stars. The facility buzzes with activity, its launch pads and assembly buildings a testament to human ingenuity. Recently, Secretary of War Pete Hegseth, accompanied by top Pentagon leaders, arrived at Starbase. Their visit was not a mere formality or a photo opportunity, but a signal of deep partnership and shared purpose. The occasion was the Arsenal of Freedom Tour, a nationwide initiative to revitalize America's defense industrial base. At Starbase, this mission took on new meaning, blending the might of the military with the daring of private enterprise. With Elon Musk and the towering Starship rocket as a dramatic backdrop, the message was unmistakable. This privately built behemoth is now a cornerstone of America's national strategy, a symbol of what can be achieved when visionaries and leaders unite. In a powerful moment, Secretary Hegseth administered the oath to a new generation of recruits, the gleaming rocket behind them, representing the future they are sworn to protect. The ceremony underscored the gravity of their commitment and the scale of the mission ahead. This visit was more than a meeting. It was a declaration of a new alliance between private space enterprise and the might of the U.S. government, forging a partnership that will shape the next era of American power. It signifies a strategic pivot, a recognition that future dominance in space and on Earth depends on ambitious projects like Starship, where engineers and strategists work side by side to push the boundaries of possibility. The visit also endorsed a new way of thinking, inspired by Musk's relentless philosophy: question every requirement, delete the dumb ones, and accelerate like hell. This mindset is now being woven into the fabric of national defense. This marks a new chapter in government-industry relations, one that embraces speed, innovation, and the willingness to take bold risks in pursuit of progress. The presence of top defense officials at the launch pad of the world's most powerful rocket sends a powerful message to allies and adversaries alike. America is committed to leading in space, and it will do so with unmatched capability. Starship is now a critical national asset, essential for securing America's leadership in the cosmos and ensuring that the next great leap for humanity is led by the United States. Beyond politics, the backdrop told a story of relentless engineering progress. The 12th orbital flight test of Starship was in preparation, with Super Heavy Booster 19 undergoing final checks. This immense first stage, with its forest of Raptor engines, is the foundation of the system. Outside, Ship 39 stood ready, covered in heat shield tiles for atmospheric re-entry. Observers anticipate its rollout to the launch pad soon, signaling the start of pre-flight tests. If ground tests proceed smoothly, Starship Flight 12 could launch by late January or February. Each test flight gathers invaluable data, pushing towards full and rapid reusability. SpaceX's rapid, iterative approach sets it apart, building flying, learning and improving continuously. The Washington visit showcased SpaceX's effort to transform Starbase into a high-volume rocket factory. The goal: build a fleet, not just one Starship. Evidence of this push was everywhere, with Ship 40 rapidly assembling. The factory floor buzzed with activity, robots and engineers fabricating and assembling stainless steel rings. The ambition is a production system, akin to an automotive assembly line, making spaceflight commonplace. Central to this is the continuous improvement of the Raptor 3 engine, promising greater thrust and efficiency. Mass production of vehicles and engines is key to unlocking SpaceX's long-term vision of a multiplanetary future. Starship's unprecedented lifting capacity is opening doors to projects that were once considered science fiction. With its ability to transport massive payloads, Starship is making it possible to dream bigger and aim higher than ever before in space exploration. NASA and the U.S. Department of Energy are collaborating on an ambitious goal: to deploy a nuclear fission reactor on the Moon by 2030. This project represents a major leap forward in lunar technology and international cooperation, combining expertise from both space and energy sectors. The reactor will provide a robust and reliable power source, supporting a permanent human presence on the Moon. It will deliver continuous energy for habitats, scientific experiments, and life support systems, even during the long, cold lunar nights. Building a lunar reactor is no small feat. Its shielding, cooling systems, and core components are large, heavy, and complex, requiring careful engineering to ensure safety and efficiency in the harsh lunar environment. Starship changes the equation entirely. Its massive cargo bay can deliver large, pre-assembled reactor modules directly to the moon, eliminating the need for complicated on-site construction. This capability streamlines mission architecture, reducing the risks and challenges of assembling sensitive equipment in space or on the lunar surface. More work can be done safely on Earth, where conditions are controlled. The entire plan for a lunar nuclear reactor is closely tied to Starship's success. Without its heavy lift capacity, delivering such critical infrastructure would be nearly impossible, making Starship essential for a sustainable human future on the moon. While solar energy is valuable, the moon's 2-week-long nights make it unreliable as a sole power source. Nuclear fission, on the other hand, offers dependable, round-the-clock energy, regardless of sunlight. Starship is currently the only vehicle capable of making this critical infrastructure delivery a reality, paving the way for a new era of lunar exploration and human settlement. While Starship captures imaginations, SpaceX is already the workhorse of the American space program. The successful launch of NASA's Pandora mission exemplifies this. Studying distant stars and exoplanets, Pandora's mission untangles light from stars and planets, characterizing atmospheres of alien worlds. SpaceX's Falcon 9 provides precise, reliable, and affordable access to space for such missions. This role as a trusted launch provider is vital to national goals, advancing human knowledge. The journey from launching small satellites to building lunar bases with Starship is a natural evolution. The U.S. government backs SpaceX's vision with substantial financial investment. Secretary Hegseth's visit symbolized a deep financial partnership, viewing Starship as a future power component. The Pentagon and NASA have invested billions, recognizing its asymmetric advantage in defense and exploration. The U.S. Space Force awarded SpaceX a $739 million contract for national security launches. Federal contracts to SpaceX have exceeded $22 billion, indicating government confidence in Starship. Starship promises to rewrite space access rules, launching enormous payloads at a fraction of current costs. For NASA, Starship is the only viable path to landing humans on the Moon and Mars. The government's investment secures a multi-purpose tool of unprecedented power, a symbol of American ambition. Events at Starbase point to a new era in space exploration and national strategy. The world is watching as the United States takes bold steps to shape the future beyond our planet. Every launch, every test, and every innovation at this site signals a commitment to leadership in the final frontier. The partnership between government vision and private innovation is securing America's future in the cosmos. By working together, these forces are accelerating progress, blending the agility of private enterprise with the resources and strategic direction of the public sector. SpaceX's relentless innovation, fueled by government investment, unlocks capabilities once deemed science fiction. Advanced manufacturing, reusable rockets, and next-generation propulsion are now realities, opening doors to missions once thought impossible. These capabilities allow the U.S. to pursue scientific and exploratory goals otherwise out of reach. From sending astronauts deeper into space to deploying cutting-edge satellites, America is pushing the boundaries of what humanity can achieve. Leadership in space is a necessity, critical for national defense, economic prosperity, and global influence. The ability to operate and innovate in space ensures security, drives technological advancement, and strengthens America's position on the world stage. By investing in Starship, the U.S. is securing a foundational advantage over competitors. This investment is not just about rockets, it's about building the infrastructure and expertise that will define the next century of exploration and security. The arsenal of freedom expands into the heavens with Starship as its flagship. Each launch demonstrates American ingenuity and determination, inspiring a new generation to look up and dream bigger. The activity at Starbase is about more than steel and engines. It's about the future. It's about laying the groundwork for discoveries, industries, and opportunities that will shape the world for decades to come. The collaboration between SpaceX and the U.S. government is forging tools to answer our oldest questions and secure national interests. Together, they are ensuring that America's legacy in space is not just preserved, but boldly expanded for generations yet to come.